What's the meaning of car phone? Car phone. Car phone.
Car phone. Car phone. A car phone refers to a mobile telephone that is designed to be used in a car. They were popular in the 1980s and 1990s before being replaced by smaller, more portable cell phones. Car phones were typically installed permanently in a car and connected to an external antenna for better reception. They often had larger buttons than regular mobile phones, and some models even came with a separate handset. While car phones are no longer in common use, their legacy can be seen in modern car communication systems such as Bluetooth connectivity and voice-activated assistance.